What's going on? I'm DJ Nightmare.
I'm Zach with All Equal Parts.
And this is Master of the Mixed Drinks. So today on Master of the Mixed Drinks, I brought in a highly skilled, trained professional to show you all how to make one of the world's most classic drinks. We have Zach here from All Equal Parts, and today we're gonna make what?
Sidecar.
Yes, not side chick, sidecar.
Same concept.
Same concept. Both of them get a headache if you have too much of it.
So this is gonna be kind of like a brandy margarita. It's gonna use some VSOP Remy Martin, some orange liqueur. We're gonna use some Grand Marnier. Got some lemon juice and a little bit of simple syrup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
So start off with a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna go three-quarters of an ounce of lemon juice.
Yep.
Add just a touch of simple syrup. We're gonna go 1/4 ounce.
What are the benefits of having freshly squeezed juice instead of having just lime juice out of a little fake lime from the grocery store?
So that's gonna have some preservatives in it and some other chemicals, additives, right? That's gonna change the flavor ever so slightly. It will also kind of be a little less oxidized if you get it fresh. So I think it's a sharper, brighter flavor with fresh squeeze versus.
And all in all, it just makes for a better drink, right?
That's the point. Yep.
Yeah. Sure.
So we're gonna go with some Grand Marnier. We're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce. And last but not least, we're gonna go 2 ounces of our Remy Martin VSOP.
What does VSOP stand for?
Very special old pale. And that means it's 4 years old now.
Okay, word.
We're gonna add some ice.
A lot of ice.
A lot of ice, always a lot of ice. Just like Shannon taught us.
Yeah, Shannon taught me in 2 videos ago that you can never have too much ice.
Give it a shake.
I just like the way it looks. It looks better when you do it. It's like you should go teach a class on how to shake stuff.
I've done that. All right, so I'm gonna take that, strain it into a cocktail glass.
That looks so
And then we're gonna finish it off with a little orange twist. Spread those oils on the top, give it a twist. Right in the glass.
good. Now, I know earlier you were saying something like you could add a smoky note or something like that.
Just like a smoky nose, yeah. So you can take an orange twist like that, and if you express the peels in front of like a lighter or a flame, you can ignite the orange oils. This one might do it, might not. Something like this.
And then you just drop it in.
And you can just drop that
Go
in.
on, drop it in.
There we go.
And that, my friends, is the sidecar. Now that we've got the sidecar all done, you know we gotta have our resident taste tester. My boy Han here is gonna let you slide in right here and try the sidecar.
What's going on, man?
What's up?
Name's Hon.
Zach.
All right. What you got here for me, man?
This is a sidecar.
Side
It's a cognac cocktail.
cognac.
You like cognac? This is for you then.
Unless I try to drink it all, I want to try some at the end. Okay. I want to try some at the end. At the end, I want to try some. I just want to let y'all know this is the second one. This is the second one. We have to record again. He's a drunk. Stop. Oh, it's over already. Appreciate it.
Glad you liked it, man.
It's gonna be a rough weekend for old Han here. But that, my friends, is Master of the Mixed Drinks.